This is our last day on Disney Cruise, and once again, have I remembered to do the room tour until now? No. But here we go. Here is the room tour of an accessible veranda room. I'll put the actual full name of it down here. Room 5552 on the Disney train. So we're on deck 5 right now, right by the elevators. Couldn't hear any noise from the elevators during the trip. The only morning on which I heard any noise in corridors or anything was literally this morning when people were getting off the ship early, and that was it. So lovely, lovely room, no noise issues whatsoever. So let's take a look at the room. As you come in, here's the front door right here. We've got various switches, emergency alarms, air cooling control, and the classic use your card light switch. We've then, over on the right hand side, got 4 hooks, both at, I guess, regular height and both at wheelchair height. And then as you come in, you turn, and rather sensibly they've put the button to open the door here, so you can actually see right over here, you get plenty of time to get through the door and for the door to open without getting jammed in. We've got an extra chair in the room, so we've got a chair here, and we've got the sofa bed, and then the regular bed here. Over here, set of double wardrobes, 3 drawers with plenty of space in them, and 2 shelves. Now I'll just show you in the wardrobes. Here we go. So you've got life jackets, the regular height hanging there, ladder for the ceiling bed, bunk bed, and then a lower height safe. In the other wardrobe, there we go, got the life jackets again. This is the bar that you can pull down, so we'll be at the lower height with the pull down lever there, and some shelving lower down. Talking about the bed setup here, so over on this side you've got the phone. There are no power supplies on this side of the bed whatsoever, but there is the emergency call button. Got the phone and a little drawer here. Over on the other side, now over here, if I come down here, you can see you do have a couple of plug sockets. Oh, 1 European and 1 US. And again, you have another little drawer there. Just check we haven't left anything behind. Here we go. And over here, you have the main kind of desk vanity unit. On the left here, we have the fridge. I'll show you that in a second. 3 drawers, cupboard, the drawer with the letter writing and the postcards, and 2 shelves. Tiny TV for the size of room, mirror, and let's take a look at these plug sockets. So, plug socket wise, I have no idea what these are. They're telecoms things. Oh, sorry. We've got night light, various light switches. These plug sockets, these are both European and USA plug sockets. And then we've got the hairdryer outlet over here. And this is the fridge. So it's not particularly deep, but it did the job perfectly fine. If you are putting any like wine bottle type things in, they do have to go on their side. They're not going to be standing in there unless you remove that shelf. And here's that letter writing drawer. As you can see, we didn't order breakfast to the room. Got a hairdryer and a heat mat there. So various drawers. This is what that cupboard looks like here. Over here we have some nice artwork of the 4 original Disney ships, Magic, Wonder, Dream and Fancy. No Wish because it's old artwork, but we love it anyway. Under the bed we've got one of my favourite features that they brought in on the cruise line, which is the underbed storage. Plenty of room for all your suitcases there. We are about to show you next La pièce de résistance, the veranda. So as you can see, this is an oversized room because it is an accessible room. We had plenty of room for our scooter. It could move around, it could turn around, plenty of storage. We actually said you could easily have more than one scooter or wheelchair in here as well. And let's just take a look at the veranda. Now, it is going to be noisy when I go outside, so I'm just going to show you it and let it do the talking. Here we go. So that was our lovely and fabulous veranda. Let's go check out the bathroom. So unlike a regular room on the ship, this is a wet room. It's not the split bathroom design. Here is the shower. Now, unlike the Wish, it didn't have the magnets in the curtains, which I love that feature on the Wish. So I was a bit sad they haven't added it in here yet. But you can see we've got a stool. This comes down like so. Very easy to do. We've also got this handrail. You can move up and down like so. It is a wet room, although you might be able to see some water did get out from the shower, but generally speaking, it was pretty good at just keeping in the shower. Not too much flooding. And the shower is height adjustable as well. Very nice shower. We have the toilet, again, surrounded by plenty of grab rails. And we have the clothesline. We've got a higher one, and you can see there a lower one too. We've got the mirror. Hello! The mirror, sink, all H2O products at the moment. That was the doorbell coming to get me out. Yeah, I'm just going to show you exactly how close this room is to the elevators in just a second. So let's watch that now.
With Tinkerbell are now cleared to disembark via the gangway located on deck-free midship. Guests holding any other Disney character luggage tag are invited to wait comfortably.
Thank you for coming to this room tour. Please like, subscribe, do all the things. But yeah, that's room 5552 on the Disney Dream. And I hope you have a fabulous day. I'll see you real soon. Bye.